Welcome to Steno classes. Get ready for the dictation of Advanced Phraseography Section 6. Ready? Start. As a rule, at a loss, in a few days, in a great measure, in such a manner as, for a moment, to a great extent, about the matter, all over the world, all the circumstances, on the contrary, on the one hand, on the subject, under the circumstances, what is the matter, as a matter of course, as a matter of fact, expression of opinion, at the present day, at the present time, by the way, for the first time, I will consider the matter, in the first instance, in the first place, in the second place, in the third place, in the last place, in the next place, in consequence of, in respect of, necessary consequence, on the part of, out of place, short space of time, do you mean to say, expect to receive, face to face, from first to last, having regard to, into the matter, notwithstanding the fact, in relation to, in reply to, in respect to, it appears to me, it appears to have been, it seems to me, ought to have been, ought to have known, regret to say, in relation to, in reference to which, regret to state, we shall be glad to hear, we shall be glad to know, with reference to which, with regard to, with relation to, with respect to. Stop.